Today we will be making Sambal Stingray. This is a popular Malaysian Singapore seafood dish with deep flavors from the sambal paste. Let's cook this dish. First, let's defrost half of the stingray that I bought from a local supermarket. The skin of the stingray is already removed. Next, let's prepare the marinade for the stingray. We will be using this instant chicken curry sauce. Place 1 spoonful of the curry sauce into a bowl, add some sugar, olive oil, and mix well. Stingrays are not very fatty, so the oil will improve the taste. Then, evenly apply the marinade on top of the fish. Before you smother on the marinade, make sure to dry the stingray surface. I allow the stingray to marinate for 1 hour in the fridge. Next, transfer the stingray into an aluminum foil. The traditional way of cooking the stingray is in a banana leaf, but banana leaf can be hard to find, especially the fresh ones. So we are using the aluminum foil today. After that, spread sambal sauce on the stingray. We made our own sambal sauce at home. You can find the recipe on our website in the description below. You can also purchase it from a supermarket as well. The only thing left now is to seal up the aluminum foil. For convenience, you can cook the stingray in an oven, but to impart a smoky flavor, I prefer to use a barbecue grill. Place the stingray opposite to hot coal and cook for 30 minutes. The steam inside the aluminum foil packet will steam the fish to 80% doneness. After 30 minutes, slice open the packet and let out the steam. I much prefer the fish to be crispy on the outside, with the sambal being slightly dry. Opening the packet will allow the moisture to escape. Let this cook for another 20 minutes on the grill. Finally, it's done and ready to eat. Flaky and moist fish. The flavor is perfect. Make sure to give this recipe a try and you will not be disappointed. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like to be notified for future videos, please subscribe to Furious Owl Studio.